Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your AFE cold air intake. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, guys, this thing is pretty filthy from dust buildup, leaves, literally everything gets in there, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and give this thing a deep cleaning. Alright guys, so as you guys can see in the last clip, this thing is very dirty. And so when cleaning these, you really just want to use low pressure water. Don't use any high pressure. And you're gonna go from inside out, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. Alright guys, so after giving the filter a good rinse, I went ahead and found this old blow dryer here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just use it on the inside of the filter and try to get whatever's clogged up in there out of there. Also, I have my stock wheels here, guys, and I went ahead and purchased this new set of wheels. So these are actually 20s, and I'm running 3 15s in the back currently and 2 75s in the front. And I probably will make another video on these after I get some new tires in the back, because these things are almost bald. So just stay tuned for that one, and let's get started on this. So after using the blow dryer, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set it outside for about 15 minutes just to be safe. So I'll see y'all when it's ready. So the filter has been outside for about 20 minutes, and it's pretty dry. And before I put the housing and everything back together, I really want to hear how this sounds without the housing, so let's check it out. So I went ahead and put everything back together, guys, and as you can see, it looks much better than it did before. And that's gonna be a wrap for this one, guys. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Deuces.